Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 13th October 2025, Nifty index opened flattish and witnessed a spurt in the first half of the session. It faced some consolidation for the rest of the day but managed to touch an intraday high of 25,330 levels. It maintained a bullish undertone throughout the session and respected the base of 25,150 levels. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and closed with gains of around 100 points. It formed a strong-bodied candle on the weekly frame and closed near its higher band of the day, which indicates that buying is intact. India VIX was down by around 0.2% to 10.10 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.32. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,800 to 25,800, while immediate range is in between 25,100 to 25,500 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 635 crores, while DIIs were also buyers worth 1,627 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 7.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,200 for the next up move towards 25,450 and 25,600, while support can be seen at 25,000 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,500 for the next up move towards 57,000 levels, while support can be seen at 56,250 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in PG Electroplast, TV Slab, CDSL, BSE, Syngene, Dixon, and PNB. While some weakness could be seen in Uno Minda, Jindal Steel, RVNL, KPIT Tech, and Tata Motors. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.